Assalamualaikum. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to discuss about Annex A. Annex is a define the what type of waste pressure vessels which are excluded from the API 510. Okay, here is a list of pressure vessels which are excluded from the code API 510. So the first is cargo or volume tanks, ships. These are the all type of these of cargo shipments. These were excluded from the pressure API 510. If you make inspection for this type of vessels, then API 510 is not applicable here. Next is containers within the scope of other sections of ASME code other than section 8 division 1. Fired process tubular heaters, this is also excluded. Rotating components such as pump, compressor, turbine, generator, these are also excluded from the API 510. Means here API 510 will be not applicable for the inspections and maintenance of this type of pressure vessels. Any structure whose primary function is transporting fluids from one location to another, like piping system, flanges, bolting. This is also the list which is not which are the excluded from the code. Here, a vessel for containing water under pressure, including vessel container, a design pressure of 30 pound per inch, or temperature. This is most repeated question in the examinations. At since past decade, this question is I have seen in the all the examinations. Okay, and also one thing I have to mention that Annex A, Annex A, 9 to 10 questions will be came from the Annex A in the examination. A hot water supply storage tank heated by steam or another indirect means. Look at these 3 points. If the condition is above from these, then that will be considered in API 510. But the condition is this, like a water temperature of 99 degrees centigrade. If temperature is above this one, then it will be considered. If it is 99 or below it will also be excluded from the code. Vessels with internal or external pressure that cannot exceed 15 psi. Yeah, this was also repeated in my exam 15 psi. Here is also you should make a gentle look on these 3 points. Among those, I remember as I remember that I think first one was included in my exam. Okay, you have to just memorize these points. If this one 5 cubic feet in volume and 250 pound square inch design pressure, same as it will be you will see in the examination, same as it will be written. Okay, as previous slide we have discussed, those all are excluded from the API code. However, each owner are used. Okay, here are some practice questions you have to solve by yourself. Which sorry, I written here appendix, but it should be an annex. Which annex API 510? The type of Excel may be excluded from the Annex A, B, or C, D. Okay, you have to answer which annex tell us about the vessel which are excluded from the code. Next is which of these are excluded from specific standard of API 510 code. Okay, these are the options. Third one is a pressure vessel excluded from API 510 code that are located on movable structures. Fourth one is this one. Which of these covered by API 510? Okay, this is the answer sheet. Not appendix, it is annex. Thank you very much. Subscribe for more content.